Hello everyone, this is my review of the mfish 4-in-1 USB cable. This cable is designed to replace multiple cords and supports fast charging up to 240 watts. It comes with a nice carrying case and includes USB-C to USB-C, USB-A to USB-C, USB-C to Lightning, and USB-A to Lightning connectors, and all-in-one cable. The 6.6 foot length is flexible, thick, durable, and comes with a reusable travel cable strap for tangle-free organization. Colorful LED tip lights. Both ends pulse different colors while charging, making it easy to spot in dim lighting, not too bright to be a distraction. Switching between tips requires pulling outward relatively hard. It's a smart option for travelers or anyone needing a single cable to charge multiple devices. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.